Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you planning a trip to Las Vegas and want an experience that goes beyond the typical hotel stay? Do you crave luxury, entertainment, and enough space for your entire crew? Feeling like your life needs a shot of pure excitement? Craving non-stop thrills and unforgettable memories? Then it's time to answer the call of the neon. Las Vegas isn't just a city, it's an experience. World-class entertainment at your fingertips, from legendary performers to mind-blowing shows. Indulge in a culinary adventure with celebrity chefs and diverse dining options. Whether you want to try your luck on the casino floor, soak up the sun in style, explore unique attractions, or dance the night away, Vegas has something for everyone. It's a place where the ordinary fades away and the extraordinary comes to life. So why visit Las Vegas? Because it's where unforgettable moments are made. It's time for your Vegas adventure. Well, look no further. Here at 777 Rentals, we're dedicated to giving you the best Las Vegas experience possible. We're talking top-notch reviews and the most incredible vacation homes you can imagine. And today, we're giving you a sneak peek at one of our absolute gems, the spectacular Bowling Villa. Get ready to be amazed. This isn't just a place to sleep, it's an entertainment paradise. That's right, you heard it. This villa boasts its very own bowling alley. Imagine the fun you and your group will have knocking down pins right in the comfort of your own private retreat. But that's not all. This sprawling estate features an unbelievable 11 baths and 11 beds. No more fighting over bathroom time or squeezing into cramped rooms. Everyone gets their own space to relax and recharge. And when you're ready to soak up the Las Vegas sunshine, step outside to your private oasis. Take a dip in the sparkling pool and unwind in not one but 2 outdoor spas. For the sports enthusiasts in your group, we've got you covered. Get your game on with our fantastic outdoor basketball court. Shoot some hoops, challenge your friends, and stay active while enjoying the beautiful weather. And who can resist a blast from the past? Relive your arcade days with our classic Pac-Man game. It's the perfect way to unwind and have some nostalgic fun. So are you ready to experience Las Vegas like never before? At 777 Rentals, we pride ourselves on offering exceptional properties and unparalleled service. Our glowing reviews speak for themselves. Our guests consistently rave about their unforgettable stays. With 11 beds, 11 baths, indoor and outdoor basketball courts, 2 spas, a pickleball court, foosball table, Pac-Man game, and of course that amazing bowling alley, this villa has everything you need for an unforgettable Las Vegas vacation. Visit our website today at 777rentals.com to book your stay at the Bowling Villa or explore our other incredible Las Vegas properties. We can't wait to welcome you to Las Vegas and help you create memories that will last a lifetime.